James Wise with HoltonWise. Today I am standing inside of 6130 Westminster in Parma, Ohio. I actually grew up very close to this particular property. What we are doing here today is talking about options when selling. This property has two available options. We can sell it as is, or I'm going to run you through a scope of work that we can do to this property to unlock some hidden value. Let's dive in. So this property, it's a bungalow. This was actually a rental property, but the specific use for a property can vary and it can change over time. This is a property of one of our clients. HoltonWise has been managing this property for this out-of-state investor for a while. He has decided he wants to exit the rental business. So now it's time to sell the property. You see, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath bungalow. We have 2 bedrooms upstairs with the second bath. It's actually a half bath technically. And then we have 2 more bedrooms in the full bathroom over there. You see, we could sell this property exactly how it is right now for between $80,000 and $85,000. It's not the prettiest, it's pretty ugly. The kitchen and the baths is what's gonna sell the property. And the kitchen and the baths in this property, they don't look the best. Like, I mean, this kitchen is pretty ugly. I mean, we have this hideous countertop here, and then we have a different countertop which is equally hideous. No appliances, everything has not been updated. It's very small. But the neighborhood is quality, so 80 to 85 is where this property would sell. We would market it to 2 types of buyers. It would be to the first-time home buyer, you know, maybe the handyman that would like to do a little bit of work themselves, get some sweat equity, or we could market it just like it is as another rental property. So that would be marketed to an investor who wants to buy another rental property. Or we could unlock some hidden value. It's going to take additional time. There's risk, there's holding costs. But what we could do is totally renovate this kitchen. You see, what we'd have to do is tear this wall down. If we were to tear out this wall and just open this up right here, we just open this wall up to this little eating space. That kind of opens it up to the living room. You see, open concept is what sells. Kitchens and baths sell, but after that, it's, you know, it's open to the kitchen. We can't make it purely open because we have the stairs here. However, that would really open this up. It would probably be to do a full renovation in that kitchen and a full renovation in that bathroom and knock out that wall, open it up, come in, paint everything a nice neutral color and refinish these hardwoods. We would be looking at roughly $25,000 to $30,000. That puts you between $105,000 and $115,000 all in. And we'd be able to sell this property for roughly $125,000. So you would be able to increase your return. You could turn this property into an additional $10,000 to $20,000 by doing those simple renovations. So I'm going to take back this video and what we've analyzed from this property to my client, and one of 2 things is going to happen. We're either going to be putting this property on the market very soon at one of the most affordable prices in the city of Parma. So all you do-it-yourselfers, your handyman, that's going to be an opportunity for you, or those investors watching from California, New York, Texas, or the UK. This could be a great rental investment for you. Or my client's going to decide he wants to put up the money to unlock that hidden value, and we're going to give this house a complete renovation. And all of you first-time home buyers out there looking for an immaculate turnkey home, this one is going to hit the market most likely end of spring, early summer. Either way, I will touch base on YouTube. So again, make sure you click the subscribe button so you see what's going to happen. You see the properties coming on the market. You see the real estate education. If you want to hear more about me, James Wise, broker, investor, entrepreneur, you can follow me on my Instagram at JamesWiseHWPG. As always, I'm James Wise, HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy. The neighborhood is quality, so 80 to 85 is where this property would sell. Walk back, just you'll put the music on and you'll run upstairs and do all that. I don't like where I'm going with this, man. I don't like how I'm doing it! I don't like